Explanation. Decimal fractions. A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 or any other 10 times multiple of 10 is called a decimal fraction. For example, 5 by 10, 68 by 100, 285 by 100, these fractions are written in the numerator and denominator form. It is convenient to write these fractions in another way. To use this new method, let us look at our usual method of writing numbers. In this method, we make new places for tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. The place value of each of these is 10 times that of the previous place. For example, 110 equals 10 units, 100 equals 10 tens, and so on. Now let us think in the opposite direction. If we divide 100 into 10 equal parts, each part is 110. The tens place is to the right of the 100. 110 is divided into 10 parts. Each part is 1 unit. The units place is to the right of the tens place. Similarly, if 1 unit is divided into 10 equal parts, each part becomes 1 by 10. For this, a place is made to the right of the units place. 1 by 10 means 1/10. This place is called the 10th place or the first decimal place. The decimal point. The decimal place is created for writing a fraction. When writing numbers, a dot is written after the last digit of the whole part of a number to indicate the end of that part. This symbol is called a decimal point. The decimal point is used to write 8, 5 by 10 as 8.5. This is read as 8.5. 20, 3 by 10 is written as 20.3. 7/10 can be written as 7 by 10 or 0.7. 7 by 10 is the usual way of writing the number and 0.7 is the decimal way. 100th. If 1 by 10 is divided into 10 equal parts, each part becomes 1 by 100 or 100th. Therefore, note that 1/10 equal to 10 hundredths or 0.1 equal to 0.10. By multiplying 1 by 100 by 10, we get 10 by 100 equals to 1 by 10. Therefore, it is possible to create a 100th place next to the 10th place. After creating a 100th place, we can write 14 by 100 as 0.14. 14 by 100 equals to 10 plus 4 by 100 equals to 10 plus 4 by 100 equals to 10 by 100 plus 4100 equals to 1 by 10 plus 4 by 100, meaning that when writing 14 by 100 in decimal form, 1 is written in the 10th place and 4 is written in the 100th place. This fraction is written as 0.14 and is read as 0.14. How the decimal fractions in the table below are written and read. Fraction 7, 5 by 10, tens, unit 7, tenths, 5, hundredths, decimal fraction in figures 7.5, decimal fractions in words 7.5. Fraction 7, 5 by 100, tens, unit 7, tens, 0, hundredths, 5, decimal fraction in figures 7.05, decimal fractions in words 7.05, fraction 82 by 100, tens, units 0, tens, 8, hundreds, 2, decimal fraction in figures 0.82, decimal fractions in word 0.82, fraction 25, 6 by 100, tens, 2, units 5, tens, 0, hundreds, 6, decimal fraction in figures 25.06, decimal fractions in words 25.06. Place value of the digits in decimal fractions. We can determine the place value of the digits in decimal fractions in the same way that we determine the place values of digits in whole numbers.